What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Harari Boy, and today, um, I want to talk about, the government's debt problem that could essentially affect everyone. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, as some of you may know, I'm a huge Dragon Ball fan. I've been searching all over Netflix to watch Dragon Ball episodes, but unfortunately, Netflix here just doesn't have them. But you know which version of Netflix does? Netflix Japan. Some of you might be wondering, how on earth am I accessing Netflix Japan, right? Well, that's where NordVPN comes in. NordVPN is one of the top VPN services out there. It allows you to mask your location and browse securely, which is perfect for protecting your privacy. Plus, NordVPN can basically change your location to anywhere in the world with just a few clicks. So it's just as easy as that. That's how I'm able to access Netflix Japan and binge all of the Dragon Ball episodes that I can fathom. It's not just about watching international shows, however. NordVPN adds an extra layer of security basically as you're browsing, so your personal information stays safe and your online activity remains private. If you want to unlock more content and protect your privacy online, head over to nordvpn.com/harariboy to get over 70% off a 2-year subscription plus 3 months free. And if you don't like it, you can cancel within 30 days and get a money back guarantee. It is worth the peace of mind and extra content you'll have access to. All right, so everyone's talking about inflation, everyone's talking about the interest rates, but very few people talk about the debt that's actually behind it, right? Whether you're Republican or Democrat, it doesn't really matter. This affects every single American. And today, I want to essentially explain this in plain English. So let's get right into it. All right, so just a disclaimer, again, this isn't a political video. Both parties have added to the debt in the past. I'm not here to argue politics. I'm here to help you essentially protect your financial future, no matter who is in the White House, right? So because we can't control Washington, we can definitely control our own money. So what is the real problem here? Well, the debt is enormous, right? We always hear about $39 trillion in government spending, things like that. But the bigger issue is the interest on the debt, right? Just like family with credit cards, eventually, the payments become the problem. More borrowing leads to more interest, and more interest leads to more borrowing at the end of the day. All right. So the government has to deal with this somehow. This is why it matters to you. They can essentially raise the taxes, cut the spending, borrow more, or allow inflation to reduce the value of the debt over time. Regardless of what happens, everyday Americans would feel it. So overall, it's not a good outcome. Inflation is definitely a hidden cost. It doesn't just raise prices, it reduces purchasing power. Your is worth less, and your savings essentially buy less, and cash sitting in the bank slowly loses its value over time, like in a checking account. And that's why money alone isn't enough. All right. So what can we do about this? All right, so not to sound all doom and gloom, there is actually a very simple solution to this. Focus on what you can control first and foremost. Like I always say, we don't control the interest rates, we don't control the inflation, we don't control politicians. We do control, however, our spending habits, saving, investing, and budgeting and avoiding debt, right? So the same principles apply. Debt is very dangerous, as you can see, and this is why inflation is happening. But at the high rate that it's happening, but high interest debt keeps people essentially trapped. Credit cards, personal loans, buy now, pay later, like which is huge right now. Car payments. The less debt you have, the more freedom you'll have at the end of the day. All right. So, build your financial margin. This is number one, as always. Emergency fund, live below your means, spend less than you earn. Don't finance your lifestyle. Prepare for hard times and that arrive, and then essentially peace comes from having the margin that you need. All right. invest long term. Don't panic. Don't chase the trends again, and invest consistently. Think decades ahead, not just right now. And yeah, just essentially one of the biggest mistakes people would make is waiting and assuming everything will work itself out, spending everything they make and things like that. If you want to fight inflation, you have to have the margin to do so. So no one knows what exactly is going to happen next with this government debt, but the financial principles just don't change. Spend less than you earn, stay out of debt, invest consistently, and build wealth patiently. Prepare instead of being scared, right? Don't be reactive, be proactive to the situation. So, what do you guys think? Are you changing anything about your finances? I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this helpful, definitely hit the like button and subscribe and for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.